Imagine a world where robotic dogs patrol the streets, military robot wolves hunt in coordinated packs, and a single machine can carry a full-grown adult up a mountain without breaking a sweat. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. China is leading a robotic revolution that's changing everything from warfare to daily life. But with machines this advanced, where do we draw the line? From $2,000 transport bots to flame-throwing viral sensations, the future is here, and it's more incredible and terrifying than you ever imagined. The world is witnessing a technological leap unlike anything we've seen before. Robotics has moved beyond factory arms and simple automation. Today's machines walk, run, think, and even fight. China, in particular, is pushing the boundaries with an army of quadrupedal robots designed for everything from logistics to combat. These aren't just tools, they're game changers, reshaping industries and redefining what machines can do. In this video, we'll explore the most groundbreaking robotic dogs and wolves on the market, their jaw-dropping capabilities, and what their rise means for our future. Buckle up, this is the robotic revolution, and it's moving faster than you think. Unitree's B2W. When Unitree Robotics first introduced the B2W, it was already a marvel, a robot that could switch between wheels and legs for maximum efficiency. But after a year of upgrades, this machine has become something even more extraordinary. The B2W isn't just fast, it's a terrain-conquering beast, hitting speeds of 6 meters per second, that's over 13 miles per hour, while carrying 40 kilograms with ease. Need it to climb stairs? No problem, it handles steps up to 25 centimeters tall, and when stationary, it can support a staggering 120 kilograms, making it perfect for heavy lifting in warehouses or construction sites. But what sets the B2W apart is its endurance. On a single charge, it can operate for 5 hours without cargo, covering more than 20 kilometers. Even with a 20 kilograms load, it runs for 4 hours, traveling 15 kilometers without breaking a sweat. This isn't just a robot, it's a tireless worker, designed for logistics, disaster response, and even military support. And with its hybrid locomotion system, it's more energy efficient than any wheeled or legged robot before it. The B2W isn't just leading the pack, it's redefining it. Deep Robotics Lynx. If the B2W is the brute of the robotic dog world, then Lynx is the acrobat. Developed by Deep Robotics, this nimble machine was built to handle the toughest environments with ease. Watch as it sprints across rugged trails, scales steep inclines, and even performs tricks in the snow, all while maintaining perfect balance. Unlike industrial robots confined to flat surfaces, Lynx thrives in chaos, adapting on the fly to whatever terrain it encounters. Weighing just 30 kilograms, Lynx hits speeds of 18 kilometers per hour and can jump over obstacles 22 centimeters high. Its payload capacity of 12 kilograms makes it ideal for carrying sensors, cameras, or small supplies in disaster zones. And with IP54 rated protection, it's dust-proof and water-resistant, ready for anything from factory inspections to search and rescue missions. But perhaps its most impressive feature? A quick swap battery system that keeps it running with minimal downtime. At $188,000, Lynx isn't cheap. But for industries that need a rugged, agile robotic assistant, it's a game changer. Danny Duncan's Terminator. When popular YouTuber Danny Duncan bought a $100,000 robotic dog armed with a flamethrower, the internet exploded. Dubbed the Terminator, this machine isn't just a remote-controlled toy. It's a fully functional, fire-breathing beast, controlled via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It can shoot flames 9 meters and comes equipped with a laser sight for precision aiming. Duncan's video shows it sneaking up on unsuspecting friends, lighting objects on fire, and even attacking the dummy, all in the name of entertainment. But the Terminator raises serious questions. If a YouTuber can buy a flamethrower-wielding robot, what's stopping others from weaponizing these machines? While its creators market it for experimental and entertainment use, critics warn it's a dangerous step toward the militarization of consumer robotics. The Terminator isn't just a viral sensation. It's a glimpse into a future where lethal robots could be as accessible as drones. China's robotic wolves. While the Terminator is alarming, China's military robots are on another level entirely. At the recent Airshow China exhibition, footage emerged of autonomous robotic wolves disembarking from transport vehicles and advancing in formation without human input. These machines, developed by China Electronics Technology, are equipped with AI that allows them to coordinate tactics, navigate complex terrain, and even engage targets with mounted weapons. What's most chilling is their autonomy. These robotic wolves don't just follow orders, they analyze their environment, make decisions, and adapt on the fly. Some units are armed with rifles, turning them into deadly self-guided combatants. Military experts warn that this could mark the beginning of a new era in warfare, where AI-driven machines replace human soldiers in high-risk missions. The question isn't just whether this technology is possible, it's whether we're ready for the ethical and strategic consequences. Unitree's 130-dog synchronized spectacle. Not all robotic breakthroughs are about work or war. In a stunning display of precision, Unitree once orchestrated a performance featuring 130 robotic dogs moving in perfect sync. The result? A mesmerizing robotic ballet, with machines twisting, turning, and even dancing in flawless harmony. This wasn't just a gimmick, it showcased the incredible potential of AI-driven coordination. Each robot was pre-programmed with advanced motion algorithms, allowing it to adapt to minor environmental changes in real time. The implications go beyond entertainment. If 130 robots can move as one, imagine what that means for search and rescue missions or disaster response. Swarms of robots could navigate collapsed buildings, distribute supplies, or even perform complex construction tasks, all without human intervention. Unitree's dance was more than a show. It was a proof of concept for the future of robotics. Olaf's Go 5. While some robots dance, others are built to protect. Shenzhen OCAF Technologies Go 5 is a robotic dog designed for high-stakes security work. With 12 degrees of freedom in its limbs, it can climb 45-degree inclines, sprint at 5 meters per second, and carry 120 kilograms, making it one of the most robust security robots on the market. Equipped with voice recognition and AI-powered threat detection, the Go 5 can patrol for 4 hours straight, scanning for intruders or hazards. But the Go 5 is just the beginning. Future versions may include autonomous threat neutralization, meaning they could physically intervene in dangerous situations. For now, it's used in warehouses, factories, and high-security areas. But it's easy to imagine a future where robotic guards are as common as human ones. From dancing robots to autonomous soldiers, the age of robotic dominance is no longer a distant dream, it's our reality. These machines are faster, stronger, and smarter than ever, and they're only getting more advanced. But with great power comes great responsibility. One thing is certain, the robotic revolution is here, and it's moving at breakneck speed. Whether that excites or terrifies you, one thing's for sure, you won't want to miss what happens next. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of robotics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments, are you ready for a world run by robots?